Good evening, everyone, and we are here still in Playground where we are watching the Vanguard players, and we are now going to see a player who's been playing with little girls. He's going to ride little girls very much. Ride them in grade 1, ride them in grade 2, ride them all to grade 3. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. For the starting Vanguard we're going to see here is yep.
Oh yeah.
We can't see.
Yep, the Vanguard is not the only one.
Yep. Oh my God, did you guys hear that? Oh my, stand up, Abangado! Their Vanguard is starting up, their Vanguard is standing up from the little girls. I mean, have you ever seen Alien and little girl action? No, you haven't. You're going to be seeing it right here, folks. Aliens versus little girls. Tentacles, full of it. God, it's disgusting. So, if we're going to be a little annoying here, we're going to see the art of the art of the game. Yes, see here we're going to look at. Ah, God, the glare.